All right, highlight for the day. It's going to be a quick one. This is Friday, and the volume is light. Now, we did have an iceberg. Oh, here it is. Because I didn't want to, I had to scroll it back. It's still there. Dave brought it up. This iceberg here came in, and right now, or not right now, at the time, we seen he was an iceberg showing 75, and we know 75 is a lot. Generally, you get a bounce, not necessarily a bounce this high, but you get a little bit of bounce. It's like punching a guy in the face and you're beating him up, and all of a sudden, a bunch of his friends come out of the back room. You got to know that now instead of here or here. Now, generally, this is a magnet, and it is. So you could lose a lot of money trying to play it to the downside. They'll take this out, and it's 49.5 is the price. So they'll go and get him. But you have to really do a good job qualifying direction. And what kept me from qualifying a short all the way up and getting stuck is this NASDAQ. This NASDAQ, super strong, making higher highs, and wouldn't look back. But again, when you see that type of order flow, an iceberg that has more than meets the eye, which is an iceberg, but he's showing 75, which is, we know, a much bigger than average size to show. So it's two things that an iceberg is show us: how many he's done and how many he's showing. We don't know how many he's got left until he's done, how many's been filled, how many he's showing, and when he's done. When he's done, we'll know how many he ended up doing at the end as far as number of contracts. But just keep your focus on that kind of metaphor. And the market punches something in the face, and it seems like there's more guys that are going to bail, and all of a sudden the chase is on. So that's kind of what happened down there at 49.5 today, earlier in the morning. The other thing I want to say about volume, especially when you're coming in, especially when it's on a Friday like this video is being recorded on, there's a nice easy equation. If you have less volume or light volume, you're going to have less people doing what? There are going to be less positions, less longs, less shorts, because there's less volume. If there's less people with positions, there's less people getting stuck, less stuck traders. If there's less stuck traders, there's less volatility or movement, direction, all the rest, because it's this that creates movement. People getting into positions, a lot of positions, too long, too short. They got to chase the market up to cover shorts, down to cover longs, and everything else. So when you have low volume like we did coming into today, and it's Friday, you expect a lot of this tight range stuff. It only had a 15-point range overnight with 200,000 done. Extremely low level. So you keep your powder dry, and you understand the whole process of light volume, less positions, less people getting stuck, less direction generally. So 49.5 is a big price, probably a magnet if you're watching in the future, which everybody will be. It's Friday, October 9th. Have a safe weekend. Be careful. Subscribe to this channel. We'll see you Monday.